Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can delete your Jupiter Crypto Wallet account. To delete your Jupiter Crypto Wallet account, first of all, launch open the Jupiter app and make sure that you're inside the home page. After you're inside, go ahead and tap on your Wallets drop-down at the top left corner. This will bring up the Wallet Manager page. If you want to delete this particular wallet or delete any wallet, make sure that you first back up your wallet. Tap the three dots right next to your wallet and then click on Show Private Key. Click on Show Private Key again and your private key will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the copy button and paste in your private key in a secure folder or file. After you've done that, you can now reset or delete your wallet. Simply click on the gear button at the top right corner and click on Security and Privacy. At the bottom of the screen, click on Reset App. Click on Reset once again, but make sure you have your recovery phrase or private key before resetting your application. If you have it, simply tap on Reset and this will scan your Face ID or Touch ID and you will be redirected in the first interface of Jupiter Crypto app. As long as you have your private key or your secret recovery phrases, you can restore your wallet anytime you want, even after deleting it. Now, after deleting the account, you can delete the app securely from your device, and that's how you easily get rid of your Jupiter Crypto Wallet account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.